Welcome. In this video I'll present an overview of Pyxis Profit. We originally referred to Pyxis Profit as a business calculator. Others have referred to it as a business dashboard. Pyxis Profit will produce an estimated hourly charge for a business that supplies a service, a markup for a business that sells goods, or a combination of both a markup and an hourly charge for a business that supplies both goods and a service. In addition, it will supply weekly, monthly and yearly target figures, in addition to break-even figures for those same periods. A Getting Started wizard automatically launches the first time you use the application. We will ignore it for this video. If this were a real-life situation, we would enter business details here on the left. Then we choose the business type. For this video, we will choose a combined goods and service type business. As we will be selling goods, we need to enter an estimated value that we will pay suppliers for those goods over a 12-month period. I have entered 12,000, that is 1,000 per month. And I then enter a profit target of €5,000 and divide this between goods and services. We then enter the applicable VAT rates for our area, followed by country-specific public holidays. There are 9 public holidays in Ireland at the moment. We will then save this data. Next, we will enter our employee costs. This may be a single sole trader, or we may need to enter several employees. Note that I have entered a fictitious minimum wage person as an employee. Here I have entered the minimum wage for Ireland, which is €9.25 per hour. However, when our 9 public holidays and 20 annual days holidays are included, this value becomes €10.41. I will now add myself as a second employee. This time I will tick the chargeable checkbox and enter 70%. That is, I will be able to charge for 7 out of 10 hours worked. And also the cost per hour is €19.29. Next we move to the Overheads tab, where I have pre-entered some data. Here we simply enter the total amount. If we are registered for VAT, we choose the relevant VAT rate from the drop-down list, which is automatically removed. We then choose the payment frequency. In this case I have selected monthly. Depending on the overhead type, we can select ongoing or a start and finish date. To enter a new overhead, begin by clicking the Add New button and then entering the details. I will enter a miscellaneous cost of €100 per month for anything we may have forgotten. Note we have a van but no fuel costs, so finally in this section I will enter a €30 per week cost including VAT for diesel. As we can reclaim the VAT, I will select the 23% VAT rate and select weekly as the payment frequency, and this is an ongoing cost. Note that our total annual overheads are now calculated at just under €20,000. We will now move on to the performance section, where you can see all of this data combined into some really useful information. All of our costs and targets are now broken down into weekly, monthly and annual figures. Very practical break-even and target figures are presented. For many businesses, the 2 most useful pieces of information here are our markup and our hourly charge. Note that we can adjust the ratio of one of these over the other if desired. As a rule of thumb, if you are quite certain about the amount of goods you will sell, move this slider to the right. If you are fairly certain about your hourly charge and the number of hours you can charge for, move this slider to the left. Note that if the information you entered is complete and accurate, the figures here will also be complete and accurate. If you believe that the hourly charge and markup rates presented here are impossible, then you must reduce your costs or possibly extend your business hours. Either way, decisions will need to be made about your business. In addition to using Pyxis Profit to generate these figures, you can also monitor your business on an ongoing basis by entering your income and expenditure figures. Pyxis Profit will present live updates on your business performance. Your business performance will also be plotted in a live chart. And if you do enter all of your income and expenditure figures, you can use Pyxis Profit to help you complete your VAT returns. In addition, you can enter customers and then generate quotations. As Pyxis Profit now knows your hourly charge and markup percentage, these quotations will be accurate for your business, and those quotations can easily be updated. and you can email the quotation directly to your customer if you wish. An email body is automatically created based on the quotation details and data entered under the Email Settings tab. Under the Utilities tab, data can be imported into Pyxis Profit from other applications. It is also possible to export or even delete data from Pyxis Profit for given time periods. Before concluding, it is worth pointing out that the single most important functionality of Pyxis Profit is its ability to generate an hourly charge and a markup that is specific to your business. This in addition to target and break-even figures on a weekly, monthly and annual basis. Finally, I wish to thank you for watching this overview of Pyxis Profit. If you would like to find out more information about the full range of Pyxis applications, I invite you to check out explorepyxis.com. Thank you.